Now that you have your new Garmin Descent Mk3 series dive computer watch, we're going to show you how to use the on-watch Garmin Connect IQ Store. The Garmin Connect IQ Store allows you to easily download recommended apps, data fields, music providers, watch faces, and widgets. Before we begin, you must first pair your watch to the Garmin Connect app. For help pairing your watch, see our Descent Mk3 Getting Started video. From the watch face, press the Start-Stop button to open the Activities and Apps list. Using the up and down buttons, scroll through the list and locate Connect IQ Store. Press the Start-Stop button to select it. If you are prompted to add a Wi-Fi network, see our Wi-Fi setup video for help with this feature. You can press the down button to dismiss. To find our top-rated apps for your watch, select Must-Haves. Now scroll over the recommended Connect IQ content. To install or learn more about the content, select it. By selecting Learn More, the watch will trigger a notification on your smartphone to open a web page about the selected content before installing it. To begin the installation, select Install. And that's it. To learn more about your Descent Mk3 series dive computer watch, please see our other videos or visit support.garmin.com.